Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a really easy intermediate modern jive clip for a man spin back pass. Really, this is just a minor variation on a beginner move, but there are some good times to use it, and there are some bad times to use it. We'll show you at first. If you already know how to do a man spin, awesome. If you've never done a man spin, it's probably still going to work fine. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's a tiny little thing to add to your repertoire. It looks exactly like a normal man spin, so we're left to right, we're semicircle, we send the lady back, we're bringing the lady forwards. As the guy steps in, turning left, he switches the lady's hand from his left hand to his right hand. As he goes past, he continues turning, takes his left hand ahead of himself to catch hold of the lady's hand, bringing the lady to face, setting up the return all the way round, lower and back. The timing is exactly the same as the man spin, so it goes back 1, passing the lady with 2 hand changes, 2, facing 3, returning 4 and back 5. Before we do it, you might be thinking, why do I need to know that? And the answer is, when you see a beginner where the guy doesn't trust the lady not to run away, he doesn't want to let go. So in a normal man spin, the lady slides the hand, maintains the contact, and the guy makes a catch. If he doesn't really feel secure, doesn't want to let go of the lady, you end up with something that looks like this. And under those circumstances, I would say it was a bad thing. However, few circumstances that do crop up just now and again where you're there thinking, I maybe don't want to drag the lady's hand across my lower back. You're there thinking, oh, maybe it's time I should have changed my shirt, and you don't want to give the lady that experience. This is a perfect way to keep everything feeling nice until you get a chance to nip and freshen up. So let's do it. 5, 6, a man spin back pass. We go a back, change 1, 2, face, return and back. Hope that's useful. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Music recommendation for something nice to practice to on the end. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. We'll catch you next time.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.